Okay, here we are in my wife's 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and basically just give me a quick video. Tonight I forget where we were going. We went to get in, we got in the car and there was no sound coming out of the speakers. When you press the buttons or whatever, there'd be nothing basically. There's no, it wouldn't work on XM, radio, CD, Bluetooth. There's no sound at all. So, and actually this wasn't the first time this had happened. It's got 129,000. My wife drives a lot for work and stuff. It happened the first time around, it was just over, let's see, what was it, 63,000, something like that. And what they fail to tell you when you buy a Hyundai is the radios aren't covered for the full 100,000, so it's only covered to 60,000. So we went in the dealerships to get it replaced under warranty, and they said, well, that's not covered. And I was like, what? Really? And no, apparently that's only covered to 60. So anyway, needless to say, I complained enough when I said, like, listen, like, we have family members that bought Hyundais just because we recommended it, and you know, and all this, and so they ended up covering the radio under warranty. They gave us a new radio. I think it was $600 or something, and they ended up covering it under warranty. Or they charged $600. I don't know if they actually did it, because now I find out when it happened this time, like, oh, there's no way. I don't want to pay that money if I don't have to, right? So anyway, I did a little bit of research, and it wasn't too hard to find actually, because a lot of people have had this problem. But hopefully this will just help someone out. Basically, there's a little reset button up here. You just basically, yeah, you can just, right there. I just stuck a paper clip in there when it's on, and it basically, the screen goes black, and it resets everything. You just hit the power button, came back on, there's sound on everything. Now all your presets are gone, but whatever. You have to reset those, but yeah, everything's working again like normal. So if anyone has this problem, it's a simple fix, and it's not going to cost you a new radio. So I don't know, I guess the dealership, I don't know if they must know that, right? They must. They probably just reset it, build warranty for a new radio, $600 or whatever it was. And kind of ticks me off though, but anyway.